Hey YouTube, what's up? Quick video real quick. I just want to show y'all my two new pickups. I know my last video I said that was my last, but my wife came out to Texas to see me before I deploy, and she brought out, the two new pair of shoes I got. The Playoff 8s. Real classic shoe. Came out like 2006, 2007. I had them. I'm glad they re-retro because I don't have those anymore. And the Toro Bravo 4s. Real nice new colorway. Of course, that red upper just sets it off. But just wanted to show y'all my two new pickups. Probably be heading out to Afghanistan soon. They go to the city of El Paso. We staying, at the little hotel, whatever. Just enjoying the city. About to go out. Check out my Instagram. I posted a lot of pictures and stuff. So, But anyway, y'all just let me know what y'all think. Comment on the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll try to keep y'all as updated as possible. If not, follow my Instagram. Peace.